Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have a truly bizarre and unsettling story to share with you. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly becoming a part of our lives, but its integration isn't always seamless. A popular cooking app in New Zealand is now under fire for allegedly producing life-threatening recipes. The developer of the app is facing intense criticism, and we'll dive into the details of this shocking AI-related incident. The app's purpose and AI-powered cooking. So, let's start with the background. This cooking app was created by a well-known supermarket chain in New Zealand called PakSave. Its main purpose was to encourage users to give leftover ingredients a second life and reduce unnecessary food waste, a growing concern in the country. When users launch the app, they're prompted to add various ingredients to a list. The app, driven by AI, then generates complete recipes, along with cheerful commentary to make cooking an enjoyable experience. However, beneath this seemingly innocent exterior lies a dark and disturbing twist, as reported by The Guardian. Sinister AI-generated recipes. As users experiment by adding more ingredients, the app starts to malfunction, offering the most eccentric and, quite frankly, dangerous recipes. From mocktails with bleach, sandwiches with glue, to French toast, with a hint of turpentine and fried potatoes seasoned with insect repellent, the app's creations took a truly bizarre turn. The most alarming revelation came when a well-known New Zealand political commentator exposed the app's most shocking creation, an aromatic water mix that generates deadly chlorine gas. The app boldly promotes this concoction as a perfect non-alcoholic drink to quench your thirst and refresh your senses. However, the ingestion of chlorine gas can lead to severe lung damage and even death. Developers' response and accountability. The supermarket chain, PakSave, expressed disappointment in the situation, attributing the misuse of the app to a small minority of users who exploited a technical flaw. They do acknowledge their role in the matter and have pledged to make improvements. Stricter moderation and clear warnings about the AI-generated recipes not being human-created are among the proposed changes. Moreover, the app's disclaimer emphasizes that the suitability of the dishes for consumption cannot be guaranteed, and users must exercise their judgment before relying on or attempting any recipe. Broader AI ethics and concerns. This incident highlights the broader discussions around AI ethics and its applications in society. While AI has shown incredible promise, cases like these underscore the potential risks and ethical dilemmas associated with unchecked AI development. Recent months have witnessed the launch of various AI systems, like Chat from OpenAI and Google's Bard, capable of generating human-like text. However, the concern arises from the fact that these systems aren't inherently designed to tell the truth, which has raised concerns among regulators and governments alike. Call for regulation and responsible AI development. As AI rapidly evolves, the need for regulation becomes increasingly apparent. In the Netherlands, a group called FoodFact has gathered to urge the government to pause the development of powerful and potentially dangerous AI systems. This movement raises crucial questions about AI's impact on society, security, privacy, and democratic values. In conclusion, the New Zealand AI cooking app controversy serves as a stark reminder of the power, potential risks, and ethical considerations of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to weave its way into various aspects of our lives, it's imperative that responsible development and regulation ensure its positive impact on society. Thank you for joining us for this eye-opening video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Stay tuned for our next video.